Few more examples, children, to understand the concept of 1 onto functions. Question number 10 from the exercise. We are given set A, which is denoting all real numbers except 3. And set B is denoting all real numbers except 1. And a function f is defined from set A to set B. And this is how the function is defined. Fx is x minus 2 over x minus 3. We will quickly check whether it is 1 and onto or not. For that, let us take two real numbers x1, x2 from the set A such that their images are equal. That means fx1 is equal to fx2. Now fx1 is x1 minus 2 over x1 minus 3. fx2 is x2 minus 2 over x2 minus 3. Taking cross multiplication and then simplifying, we will find x1, x2 on both the sides gets cancelled out and 6 on both the sides gets cancelled out. And on further solving the remaining terms, we get x2 is equal to x1. So if there are two real numbers from set A with the same image, that means those numbers are also equal. So f comes out to be a 1 function. Then checking for onto, whether it is onto or not, we can take an arbitrary element in the codomain y such that it is image of x. So if y is image of x, then we can write y is x minus 2 over x minus 3. We are only checking for any value of y from the set B. Is x also coming out to be an element from set A or not? If yes, then it becomes an onto function. So y is arbitrary element from B such that it is image to x. So we can write y is equal to x minus 2 over x minus 3. On further solving it, x comes out to be 3y minus 2 over y minus 1. All simplification we have done here, you can see, by cross multiplying the term and then further simplifying the equation. Okay. Now, we know the nature of y. It is any real number other than 1. So, x will never take indeterminate form because y it belongs to B, and in set B except 1, all the real numbers are included. Now, for these values of y, we have to check, is x also an element of set A? That means real number other than 3. So, in order to check that x will never become 3, we have assumed x to be 3, and on replacing x by 3, we get 3 is equal to 3y minus 2 over y minus 1. On simplifying this, we get an equation 3 is equal to 2, which is not correct. So this means x will never become 3. It can be any other real number but not 3. So we can see for all y belonging to the set R minus 1, there will always exist some x which will belong to the set R minus 3. So all the y's, whatever element y is denoting in the set B, it will definitely be image of some x in the domain. So f comes out to be an onto function. So it is 1 as well as onto. Moving on to the 11th one, which is a multiple choice questionnaire. We are given function f from real numbers to real numbers, and it is defined as fx is equal to x to the power 4. So you need to check again whether it is 1 and onto or not, or one condition is satisfied, other not, and we have to justify. You will quickly get an idea from the way fx is defined. It is x to the power 4. If you see, the exponent is an even number, and domain and codomain both are containing all real numbers. So we are going to have negative, positive real numbers, negative real numbers, 0, everything. So if you see, because the exponent is even, so even the higher negative numbers to the power 4 will come out to be a positive number. So that will quickly give you an idea that we can justify it is not 1 by taking some example. Like I have replaced x1 by 1 and x2 by minus 1. So the image of x1 will be fx1, which will become x1 to the power 4. That means 1 to the power 4, which is 1 only. And replacing x2 by minus 1, its image fx2 will be minus 1 to the power 4, which again comes out to be 1. So we can very well see x1 and x2 are not equal, but their images are equal. So this is not a 1 function. This is a many 1 function. Two real numbers are having same image. Again, checking for onto functions, you can assume y to be an arbitrary element of the codomain such that y is equal to x to the power 4. Keep in mind the nature of y is real number. Now on simplifying this, we can write x will be 4th root of y. That means y to the power 1 by 4. So you quickly think of, if I replace y by any real number, its 4th root will also come out to be a real number or not. So you can quickly assign a negative real value to y, like minus 3 if I say, then x will become 4th root of minus 3, which is not a real number. So there are many real values of y which are not images of any real number in the domain. So f is not an onto function. It is neither 1, 1 nor onto. So the fourth option is the correct option for it.